as I was saying, let's make the lanterns and then put it up in all the rooms. It's very simple to make the lanterns. It's better than buying it from the shop. Wow! This would be so much fun to make it. But how to make it? Won't it be very difficult? Anna, can you please teach us too? We will also help you. It will be fun to make lanterns. Of course I can teach you. It's very simple. You have to take a paper, cut them in 3 parts. Then the bigger paper, cut them from between. Like this, if you can see, it should look like this. There should be gaps. Then in between, you have to put the smaller paper, roll it like this, and then to stick it, you can use a pin or a gum. I'm using pin here. It's pretty easy to do that. And then, after that, the one which we cut, put it on that roll so that it will give you a different look. See? And then the bigger one, you have to cut it like this. And then you can put it at the bottom of what we have put. Glue it with it. And it's pretty simple to add it. Like this. And then we need to decorate it. I'm doing it with the pearls so that it gives you an extra bling. It's Diwali, right? You have to look very pretty. Then to hang it, we need to put some thread, like I'm putting it here. And then it's done. It is so simple. This way we can make multiple lanterns together with different colors. Understood? It is so simple to make such lanterns and so easy and free of cost. Oh wow! It is this simple? I never knew it is this simple. I will also make them. I'm so excited now. Now let's use these lanterns to decorate our home. Yes, you are right. Let's start with our living room. Let's put it in our living room first. Wow! This looks so good. And now in our bedroom. Wow! Amazing! And now in our bedroom. Wow! Lanterns are looking beautiful in our rooms.